Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the waterfall methodology. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn about it or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, the waterfall methodology, also known as waterfall model, is a sequential development process that flows like a waterfall through all phases of project, which includes analysis, design, development and testing, with each phase completely wrapping up before the next phase begins. It is said that the waterfall methodology follows the adage to measure twice, cut once. The success of the waterfall method depends on the amount and quality of the work done on the front end, documenting everything in advance, including the user interface, user stories, and all the features, variations, and outcome. So, first phase is the requirement phase. The waterfall methodology depends on the belief that all project requirements can be gathered and understood upfront. The project manager does their best to get a detailed understanding of the project sponsor's requirement. Written requirements, usually contained in a single document, are used to describe each stage of the project, including the cost, assumptions, risk, dependencies, success metrics, and timelines for completion. Next is the design. Here, software developers design a technical solution to the problems set out by the product requirements, including scenarios, layouts, and data models. First, a higher level or logical design is created that describes the purpose and scope of the project, the general traffic flows of each component, and the integration points. Once this is complete, it is transformed into a physical design using specific hardware and software technologies. Implementation. Once the design is complete, technical implementation starts. This might be the shortest phase of the waterfall process because research and design have already been done. In this phase, programmers code applications based on project requirements and specifications, with some testing and implementation taking place as well. If significant changes are required during this stage, this may mean going back to the design phase. Verification and or testing. Before a product can be released to customers, testing needs to be done to ensure the product has no errors and all of the requirements have been completed. Ensuring a good user experience with the software, the testing team will turn to the design documents, personas, and users can scenarios cases scenarios supplied by the product manager to create their test cases. Deployment and maintenance. Once the software has been deployed in the market or released to the customers, the maintenance phase begins. As defects are found and change requests come in from users, a team will be assigned to take care of update and release new versions of the software. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this methodology? First, we shall discuss about the advantages. Friend, the waterfall methodology is a straightforward, well-defined project management methodology with a proven track record. Since the requirements are clearly laid out from the beginning, each contributor knows what must be done when, and they can effectively plan their time for the duration of the project. First is the developers can catch design errors during the analysis and design stages, helping them to avoid writing faulty code during the implementation phase. The total cost of the project can be accurately estimated, as can the timeline after the requirements have been defined. With this structured approach, it is easier to measure progress according to clearly defined milestones. Developers who join the project in progress can easily get up to speed because everything they need to know should be in the requirement document. Customers are not always adding new requirements to the project, delaying production. The disadvantages. Like any development process, the strengths in one area might mean weakness in the other area. The waterfall methodology is insistence on upfront project planning and commitment to a certain defined progress means that it is less flexible or agile. Later in the game, changes that come further in the process can be time consuming, painful, and costly. Like projects can take longer to deliver with this chronological approach than with an iterative one such as the agile method. Clients often don't fully know what they want at the front end, opening the door to request for changes and new features later in the process when they are harder to accommodate. Clients are not involved in the design and implementation stages. Deadlines creep when one phase in the process is delayed. All the other phases are also delayed. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video.